Hello, so this is a video to help one of my groups with histograms. We've got 3 questions to go through on Hegarty. 2 of them are from Histograms 1, the other one is Histograms 2, and hopefully this will give them a good idea on how to solve these questions. Please feel free to use these as revision or even go through the session yourself by pausing the videos at the right time and trying to answer the questions. So the histogram below shows information about the weights in kilograms of all the packages Colin needs to send out today for his business. So as we know from a histogram, the frequency equals the area. So frequency equals area. And the area of a rectangle is the base times by the height. How many packages does Colin need to send today? So that question is asking us for the entirety. I want to make sure that's a different question. For the whole histogram. Okay, please do feel free to pause the video and have a go. And if you want to just watch me do it, just hit play. So our first rectangle, we've got a height of 0.9, and that's going to be multiplied by the base of 30, because across the weight bit it gets to 30. Please do feel free to use your calculators at all times. This one is 27. Our next one, we've got 1.8 multiplied by a base of 10, gives us 18. Our next one, we've got a height of 0.2. So 0.2 times by the base of 20. 0.2 times 20 gives us 4. And then finally, our base is 20. We're going to multiply by, well, this is quite a tricky one. This line across here, that's worth 1.1. So between 1.0 and 1.1, if we add them together and divide by 2, 1.1 plus 1 divided by 2 gives us 1.05. Now, some of you will just see that, and that's okay. If you want to know how to find the midpoint of something, just add them together and divide by 2. So this number is then multiplied by 20. That gives us 21. Right, add these together now. So we've got 21 plus 4 plus 18 plus 27. 21 plus 4 plus 18 plus 27, and that's 70. So Colin needs to send 70 packages. Use your calculators at all times. Do not make any silly mistakes. Okay, next question. The histogram below shows information about the weights in kilograms of all the packages Colin needs to send out today for his business. So it's the same type of question. We've got a different histogram. What fraction of the packages weigh less than 30 kilograms? So we've still got to work out all of these in order to get the denominator for our fraction. Let's get to work. So 0.6 times by 30. 6 times by 30 is 18. Our next box, we've got a base of 10. We're going to multiply that by 1.3. That's 13. 20 multiplied by, right, this one is a bit tricky. This line is the 0.5 line, so that's going to be 0.55. 0.55 times by 20 gives us 11. And then finally, 20 times by 0.4. 20 times by 0.4 is 8. Add them all up. 8 plus 11 plus 13 plus 18 is 50. That's really nice. Okay. What fraction of the packages weigh less than 30 kilograms? Here's our line for 30 kilograms, so that's 18. And I'm going to simplify this. It doesn't say I have to simplify it, but you never know what this question will want or what the platform will want. If you do 18 over 50 in the calculator, it will give you it as the simplified fraction, which is 9 over 25. All right, our final question. The histogram below, again, it's Colin and his packages. He's having a great time. Estimate the number of packages that weigh less than 35 kilograms. Round your answer to the nearest one. So here is 35. You don't have to stress out about reading this accurately, especially if it's a number that's not ending in a 5. So if it was 33 or 38, we know that the base of this new rectangle is going to be 5. And then that's going to be multiplied by the height of 1.4. So 1.4 times by 5 says that this is 7 in here. Okay, our next bit. 1.6 times by 10 is 16. 20 times by 0.3. 20 times by 0.3 is 6. So 16 plus 6 plus 7 is 29. I'm just going to double check everything. Yes, I've done 5. That's times by 1.4. The numbers have worked out quite nice. I don't have a decimal. Give your answer rounded to the nearest one. It implies that this could be a decimal, but sometimes these questions are randomized and therefore they just cover themselves by making sure that that instruction is clear. 29 is the package. So let's just check that question. Estimate the number of packages that weigh less than 35 kilograms. So that's going to be everything from here to the left-hand side. Okay, that's our little homework help video for histograms. I hope that's helped. I hope that those of you that are doing the homework for me will get a better score than you did previously. And I hope we've made some progress. Anyone random who's not from my classes who's watching this, of course, please do subscribe. See you next time.